Right guys, welcome back, and today we've got some mental crazy builds coming up for you. But today especially we have this one-of-one GT2 RS MR, so built by Manthey Racing. So it's already a one-of-one. This was actually a one-of-one spec car previously, but just find out exactly what we've done to it, because it's a madness and it's literally the only GT2 RS in the world to get this kit.
So we've finally boxed off the 991 GT2 RS Manthey edition. Now this, yeah, it's an epic build car. He's gone for the Garrett turbos on it, obviously Y pipe. We've had to fabricate a lot of parts on this car to make everything work. He's got our custom manifolds as well. We've had to fabricate exhaust, wastegate, dump tubes. We've done, yeah, there's been a fair bit that we've had to fabricate on this car to make everything work, but it's done. It made 854 at the wheels, which is about 1,010 brake horsepower. But yeah, so now Emre's just going to connect, so we're going to set up the maps, and then we're going to go and set up the two-step as well.
So guys, you've got a GT2 RS, it's already one-of-one by Manthey Racing. What else do you need? You need some power from ESMOTOR. So this car now has our ES900 GT package on there, which is our GT turbos, and it's also been upgraded with Dodson clutch, and he went for the Syvex S7 standalone system. So that just allows switchable maps, as well as the two-step anti-lag, which is insane, rolling anti-lag, and a whole load of other benefits. So this it consists of GT bolt-on turbos along with our custom headers, and also upgraded intercoolers, Y pipe, our custom methanol injection system, and all the intake pipes. We had some custom screamers made down there as well, as you can see. So that looks pretty cool coming out of his Inconel system there as well. It has CSF intercoolers on there as well. So yeah, this is basically a full bolt-on kit with the stock engine. We went with a Dodson clutch just so in future, if he does want to go more power, then he's already got the platform there. But already at the moment, we've basically designed it to be fast spooling because it's meant to be a track car. So we went with some smaller G25 turbos, and they come on crazy fast. And it's not a laggy car. The power delivery is awesome. We'll show you the dyno graphs in a bit, but it made 854 at the wheels. That's 1,005 horsepower at the crank in a GT2 RS MR. It's just insane.
What are you saying, Daddy?
That sounds sick, doesn't it? That's all I can say. daylight as well.
What are you saying?
No, that's mad, man. But this car is just different level, fully 101. It was already a 101 before, but even now it's an even more unique 101. There's no other GT2 RS in the world that has this GT turbo kit on it. So it's mad. 1000 horsepower GT2 RS, Manthey racing. Like, is there a more ultimate Porsche that you can get? So guys, the GT2 RS, the power figures, 854 wheel horsepower. That's 1004 crank horsepower. That's over 300 horsepower more than it came out from the factory with. And as you can see, the car is absolutely savage. It's also got obviously the Manthey racing setup on there, so it will create maximum grip on the track. And now it has the extra power to match all that extra downforce. But here, take a look at the graph. So as you can see, it comes in nice and steadily, and it's pulling relentlessly all the way to the top as well. If we compare that to the stock file, you can see the red is the tuned and the green is a factory stock file. So look, at 5,900 RPM, it's 180 wheel horsepower more, and it just keeps on climbing the difference there. So over 240 horsepower at the wheels difference at 7,200 RPM. And that's insane. You can see the difference in torque there as well. There's a large difference in torque as well. So we've actually ramped it in a little bit later just to make it a little bit more manageable on track, so it's not going to be spinning out like crazy. But it does obviously come on very nicely, and it's going to be a seriously fast car. We can't wait to get some numbers out on that. It's going to have a few more tweaks to the suspension, and you'll be seeing that out on the road very soon. So watch out for part 2 on that car. So guys, whether it's an extreme track car that you want, or you just want a bit more spice on your daily family runner, we can cover all. And as you can see behind me, we've got a Cayenne Turbo S E hybrid, and that's coming for our stage 2 upgrade. That consists of our catless downpipes and custom tune, which will just give it a little bit of sound. You get a nice V8 actual engine noise and roar come out of it, and you will get some increased power. Now these things aren't slouches from the factory. They put down a lot of power, and once we've finished with our custom tune, we'll see exactly what we can get out of it.
1 hour later.
Right guys, so the downpipes have now been installed. Let's do a quick sound check and then we'll get it on the dyno and see what it makes. Right guys, so Byron's Cayenne Turbo S e-hybrid is complete, and we made some crazy power. So it made 747 horsepower at the wheels and 772 foot-pound of torque. So that translates to 880 brake horsepower. So that's crazy fast. And we've also done some draggies in this car, and man, the numbers for that sort of size vehicle and weight are crazy. So just yeah, we'll put that on now. It's actually faster than the Stage 2 Urus that we've done, and it's a lot heavier because of the hybrid unit as well. So yeah, it's pumping out some serious power. But yeah, check out the draggy, and yeah, stay tuned.
60, 100, 200, quarter mile, 60, 100, 200, quarter mile.
So guys, from one ES900 GT to another, we have a 991.2 Turbo S right there behind me. So stay tuned for next week's video, because we're going to be taking you through what power that one makes with some extra little touches that the GT2 RS didn't have. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and keep watching.